I hope you guys have your tea or coffee ready for this one, because this is probably going to be one of the most valuable videos that I'm going to be posting on my channel to date. What's going on YouTube? Jay here. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make as much as $500 to $1,000 in a day, how these guys made $1,000 in a day, and how these guys have made just over $22,000 in a month doing exactly what I'm going to teach you. And the best part is these streams of income that I've showed you on the screen right now is only one of 4 that I'm going to teach you how to set up in this video. So this is going to be a video where I'm going to teach you how to build an entire business, audience, selling affiliate commissions, and email lists, all sorts of streams of income online that really can be life-changing. So if you watch each and every step in this video, this can potentially be life-changing. But without further ado, if you are new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm super passionate in documenting my journey online on how to make money online and giving you insight into the latest tools, ways, and strategies and how to generate an income online. So I'd really appreciate it if you can leave a like on this video and subscribe down below with the notifications on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. And that way you can get access to the latest ways on how to make money online so that you can utilize that, become the first, and ultimately make the most money online and beat the competition. And the first thing that you need to do, guys, is you need to come over to a platform or a website such as ClickBank, Digistore24, or something like Warrior Plus, where you can get access to an entire affiliate network where you can become an affiliate for any specific product in a specific niche. This is going to be our first stream of income. There's still 3 more to go, so make sure to keep watching so that you can see how we're going to build an entire business and make a lot of money online with this. So these 3 websites are ultimately affiliate marketing networks where other people in the world list their products, their digital products, software, courses, or physical products, you name it, and you can become an affiliate for these products, meaning you can get your own unique affiliate link to any of these products, and every time somebody makes a sale through that your specific link, you are going to get rewarded a big commission online for that from the creator of that specific product. So I quickly logged into my ClickBank and Digistore24 account just to show you how this works. So you can see on the left on the marketplace of Digistore, you can see a whole bunch of different categories such as betting systems, business and internet, computer and internet, dance and music, and so many different niches that you can become an affiliate for. For example, here, this product, every time a sale is made through your link, you're going to earn $140 straight to your PayPal account. Otherwise, the same with ClickBank. You can see, let's go, for example, choose the spirituality niche. You can see here is a product. If you make a sale through this unique affiliate link, you're going to get $17.53. And in fact, today, guys, the niche that I'm going to be choosing for today's video is going to be the spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. So you can see when it comes to choosing a product, I always like to come over to the sort results by, and I like to filter by gravity because this shows which products are performing the best in its niche, meaning how many people are making a commission and actually making profit with this because it's obviously selling well. It's a high quality product. A lot of people are buying it and a lot of people are recommending it. And that's a product you want to choose because ultimately it's performing well and you want to get a piece of that pie. So here you can see, for example, numerologist, fully personalized, BSI looks like doubles. So this looks like some self-help law and attraction product. Forget all about manifestation and numerology. Soul manifestation, make thousands a day. So this is a good product that we could choose because it's obviously selling very well. So like I explained, guys, this is going to be the first way of making big money online with this. Our first stream of income using this is affiliate marketing, but make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you how this business is ultimately and naturally going to get a lot of traffic to this offer. And you could get 1 to 2 to even 10 plus sales a day just using what I'm going to teach you in the rest of this video. So make sure to keep watching for that. So I quickly want to show you something. I'm going to use this product here, Soul Manifestation, make thousands a day. If I click on their link to this product, it's going to take me to their landing page. What I really like about this landing page is made for you. The creator has specifically made this landing page for you to go and promote and sell this product and get a commission for that. So you're not doing any of the hard work. This is a done for you product to go and promote. And to get your affiliate link, all you need to do is click on the promote button over here. You're going to see over here, if you click on generate hop links, you can see here is the hop link. Now, this is your unique affiliate link to this product that when people go and click on that, you're going to then earn $23.96 per sale that you make through this link. So that is our first step and first stream of income complete. That is the affiliate marketing, and we've now chosen our affiliate marketing product. The next step is we're going to head over to a website called artgrid.io. And this is a platform where you can get video themes and different stock videos in different themes and niches. So for example, lifestyle, sport and fitness, fashion, home, food. But in this case, since we have chosen the manifestation and spirituality niche, I need to use religion and tradition. So you'll see when I click on this category, you can see it's like people, this one guy bowing on a prayer rug, this one girl lighting a candle at a dinner table, this other like dream catcher hangs in a forest. So it gives you this very relaxing kind of videos. Like here's candles, here is a beautiful view of a church. Here it looks like a woman stirring a pot of hot water. It's very relaxing and spiritual kind of video content. And Artgrid.io is a paid tool, but you can get a free plan for 14 days, a 14-day free trial. Otherwise, you could use something like Vidnami, where you can also get these like down view videos. But what's nice about Vidnami, you can also put text over your videos, and you can kind of have like if you want to create like a step-by-step video or something like that, you can do the same with Artgrid.io, but you have to put the text in of yourself, which I'll show you how to do in a bit. Otherwise, if you don't want to pay for Artgrid.io or Vidnami, they both have free trials. Do remember that. You can use something like Pexels.io over here, where you can get free stock photos and stock videos. And the next step is that you want to come over to Google and you want to find any kind of forum or like a how-to website related to your niche. So you can go, for example, meditate. Let's go steps on how to meditate. Obviously, because it's all related to our niche, manifestation and spirituality, you can see here, for example, simple, how to meditate in 10 easy steps. Let's go click on this website, and what you can go and do is you can see, let me just get some happy. You can see a step-by-step process here on the left. You can see the 7th step, the 6th step, and what you can do is you can use a tool such as openshot.org. You can use this tool to create a simple compilation of all the Artgrid and stock videos that you've got of Artgrid, all these relaxing videos with, for example, a relaxing song overlay using the YouTube audio library, for example. So you can click on YouTube audio library by going to Google. It's going to take you to the back end over here. What you can do is you can, for example, let's filter by mood, and you want to go calm, and you want to go find all these calm songs that you can go and use for your relaxing video. So what I did was I put together a little example for you guys. So remember that Google search I just made on how to meditate. I created a simple little video just like this using openshot.org by just dragging the video that I downloaded off of Artgrid and the song that I just downloaded off here on the music audio library. And I basically just put together this. Let's play this here. You can kind of see it's a nice relaxing video with a big title saying 7 steps on how to meditate. And then what you can do is on the next clip, you can have step 1. All you do is you go over here, you go title, you click on title, and you can insert text over here. And you can literally go back to this site over here, and you can copy these different steps, and you can make like a 7-step video, kind of like a slideshow playing as your video. Then you can have like a text overlay at the end of the video. Click on the link in the description so I can even show you more ways on how to learn professional manifestation or something like that. And then you can leave your link to your ClickBank affiliate link to this product in the description, which is how you're going to get a lot of traffic and sales and commissions with this. But make sure to keep watching because this is only one of the 4 ways so far. But that being the second way that I just explained on creating these videos, I quickly want to show you 2 other channels that are doing this, or 3. I've got a total of 4 of them here actually. So the first one that I want to show you is called Meditation Music, which is all about, instead of having these step-by-step videos, they just literally have this audio library music with a voiceover. But what I suggest is with this background music playing, and this kind of content is monetized, they do have ads. But what I suggest is to make sure your content gets monetized. When creating these step-by-step videos, try have a voice overlay with your own voice. Try avoid robot or voiceovers because that does The YouTube algorithm doesn't like to monetize that, so if you can use your own voice, that would be perfect, because that will then definitely get monetized. But you can see these people over here, it's quite a small channel, just recently started. They're getting like 28k, 23k, 124k views on different meditation music. And I quickly want to show you this other channel here that is doing something very similar as well, creating these basically law of attraction meditation videos just like I've shown you. But what it's really unique about I've shown you, they are just kind of doing this like background music. I'm actually teaching you how to create these like step-by-step valuable videos that gets a lot more views. And these guys are making, now this is just ad revenue, anywhere between $5,000 and $17,600 a month. That's just ad revenue, one of the 3 ways that they are earning from this. But I quickly want to jump into the 3rd way that we're going to make money online with this. What you can do is also with links in the description of your videos, you can go and use a tool called Builderall.com. You can literally import done for you landing pages where you can actually collect emails of your subscribers and viewers. You can build an email list and you can then monetize that. So I have Builderall myself. You can see here, you've got a website drag and drop builder. I'm going to quickly enter this and I'm going to show you how you can literally import a done for you landing page at the click of a button. And why specifically I'm choosing Builderall while this is loading, if I come back to their plans page, they actually have a free plan. I'm on the free plan myself as it has all I need. You can see here, free plan over here. You get 500 gigs, unlimited subscribers, and it's really, really handy because you can send emails out with the free plan, which is all you need for this. The premium and the funnel club obviously get other bonuses and stuff like that, but it's not really required for this strategy. So just to quickly show you, if I come back to my drag and drop builder, I can click on create new sites. I can use, let's go simple templates. Here you can see, choose the template for your website, just waiting for this to load. You can see all the different themes and templates over here for the different landing pages, and you can choose any one of these, like this one over here, where the person or the person that lands on this landing page has to enter their email. Then what you can do is you can set up your drag and drop email marketing automation to be connected to your landing page. You'll see here, all of these tools have training, so it teaches you how to set it up once you join Builderall. Even on the free plan, all you do is just click on the knowledge base and it'll take you to training. So you can see here on this example landing page, the person has to enter their email and first name. For example, you could give away a free meditation ebook on your channel that you've now created with those videos that you're going to upload on YouTube, and you can go and collect emails of your viewers through a landing page like this, where you can go and monetize that through more affiliate links. If you want to send updates to latest videos to get more ad revenue on your videos, there's all sorts of ways that you can monetize your email list, which is now the 3rd stream of income that we have completed in this video. So make sure to keep watching as we're going to go on to the 4th and probably the most profitable way of making money online with this. That's the 4th and the highest stream of income with this. And that 4th way that I want to show you is actually making use of Teespring. So what you can go and do is, Teespring is a website where you can go and create any kind of t-shirt designs with the drag and drop builder on Teespring. I'm actually going to go start designing and show you, and you can go and create like these meditation theme style t-shirts. Like for example, you can have a t-shirt theme with like a waterfall on it with like meditation mindset or anything like that related to your brand, and you can actually go and sell merch on your channel as well. So now you're making ad revenue, like some of these channels are making 20k a month. You're also then making affiliate commissions through your ClickBank affiliate link. You're then also making money through your email marketing and then monetizing that email list. And fourthly, you're making money on merchandise sale. So all you're going to do is, I've just created this new account now on Teespring. You're going to click on start designing over here, and it's going to take you to the design launcher. And you can sell and create all sorts of different merch. And the best part about this is you don't need to keep this merch yourself. Teespring already lists and creates the store for you. When you get an order through your store, they create the t-shirt, they ship it to your customer, and you just keep the profits. So you can create leggings, hoodies and sweaties, tank tops, kids and baby stuff, long sleeves tees, women t-shirts, unisex men t-shirts, conscious collection socks, indoor pillows, blankets, phone cases even, bags, like a fanny pack thing, a die cute sticker, all sorts of stuff that I can see on here that you can go and list on your channel. So for example, let me go choose one of these. Let's go click on one of their videos and have a look what's in their description. So I'm going to click, you can see all of these videos are, let's go this latest one over here. For example, let's go here. Currently streaming on this one. Let's see if I go to the description. You can see there's a whole description over here. You can see they have their own website, so they probably have their own affiliate links there. You can see here, Okay, they've got an app as well, so they're also promoting a whole bunch of different stuff in their affiliate links. So you can have your, like I've explained, your landing page, your ClickBank affiliate product, your Teespring merch, all sorts of stuff and links in the description of your videos. And what's also great is you can also retarget people in your email marketing with, for example, merch or another ClickBank affiliate product. So you can make extra sales on your affiliate commissions with ClickBank and then more sales with your Teespring merch. So it's really nice how all 4 streams of income go hand in hand, and how you can use your audience on YouTube and your email list to monetize that through offers. Whether you want to create like a coupon on your Teespring store, for example, you can say 10% off all merch, use this coupon through this email, they click on your store and you get more sales like that. So this really opens a lot of doors and a lot of opportunity for a lot of income doing this. But this is really a fantastic way to make money online. This is basically what I do online. I build businesses online like this, just in a different niche, whether it's through online stores, e-commerce, content creation. This is basically what I'm doing, and I'm literally revealing all the secrets here. But in this video, I just use the meditation niche, for example. You can create videos like this around so many different niches. There's so many affiliate products around so many different niches. It's very, very broad, but I've literally just released all the golden nuggets here. But what I'll do is, on the screen above, I will leave a link to my affiliate marketing playlist. If you want to go check out all my other affiliate marketing videos that you could also perhaps apply with what I've taught you here to make even more money online and monetize that and get the most commissions online as possible. But I really hope you guys got a lot of value from this video. Please comment down below if you have any questions, or if you want to comment something valuable, or if you have any opinions on the strategy. Definitely comment down below and I will try to help you out. You're welcome to follow me on Instagram at JFroneman, and I will answer any questions that you have. But on the screen above, you're welcome to go and check out that playlist. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.